Morning peeps, let's have a quick look at this 3D printed cube made up of well, the middle part has a center with pins going into the gears, so there's 4 large, 4 small, with pins for each of them. So that's 17 parts altogether. But you know, the nice little trick with this one is that it spins around like that, and that I just think is mega cool. A little bit stiff because it hasn't obviously been used so lot, but it is fully functional, which I'm quite pleased with. Quite a nice colour combination as well in the end. I wasn't quite sure about the grey, but I think it works pretty good. Yes, and the guy who came up with this, his name is Emmett Lalish, and he lives in the States, and easy to find on Thingiverse. He's done some fabulous creations. Yeah, this was quite a lengthy print, as I did the outer ones on a fine setting, 0.1mm. Still a little bit of banding here, but it's a cheap and cheerful printer, which I'm slowly upgrading, but this is a major boost. So the big gears took 8 hours to print, small gears 3 hours, and the inside bits I did in a lower setting, so that was an hour for the center and an hour for the pins. So yeah, quite a few hours there, but I'm worth it, I think, and so are you guys.